drop the PTU or PTO, whatever they want to call it.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
We looked over everything, and I think we're just going to end up dropping the PTU. Because of the oil. We already have the seal. They're leaking. So let's replace them and put the PTO right back on. Transfer case got some new seals. Looks nice and pretty. No more rust. Looks good. The transmission also got a new seal. Transfer case is on. Looks good. Hopefully it doesn't leak. About to put fluid into the transfer case, and before you guys start saying something, this bottle is going to be filled with that. So this pump can fit onto this bottle. Transfer case is in. Little siphon is in. That was a 25.36 ounces that this thing takes. That's a funky odd number, but so Ford told me. Before I start shooting Monday's video, I'll let you guys stare at the RS here for a second while I talk. I wanted to say thank you very much for all the subscribers. I think we're close to 600 now. That's awesome. I didn't expect this to get there that fast, but I'm happy. So thank you guys, appreciate it. Don't forget, you could always message me, email me. I always reply, or try to reply. Also follow me on Instagram. I post some cool stuff around the shop and whatnot. Alrighty, have a good one.